In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the new keyboard settings in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the controls for shortcuts, how to enable or disable them, and how to customize the key combinations so they match the way you like to work. Start by looking at the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT screen. That small area shows your profile menu, usually with your avatar or initials. Click it to open your account options. From there, click Settings. This takes you to the main panel where you can adjust how ChatGPT behaves. It's a simple layout designed to keep important controls easy to reach. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Keyboard Settings or the area that mentions the new keyboard features. Click it to open the dedicated page for shortcuts. Here, you'll see a list of actions ChatGPT can perform with a key press, laid out so you can quickly scan what's available. Each action appears with a toggle and a key sequence you can customize. Let's talk about those toggles first. A toggle controls whether a shortcut is active. Turn it on to enable the shortcut. Turn it off if you don't want that action triggered by the keyboard. This is helpful if a particular shortcut conflicts with something you use in another app, or if you simply prefer a cleaner set of commands with only your essentials turned on. Next, customizing the key sequence. Click on the current key combination shown for an action, then press the new keys you want to use. For example, you might choose a combination with Control or Command, paired with a letter or number that's easy to remember. If you're on Windows or Linux, Control is common. On Mac OS, Command often feels more natural. If the key combo is already taken or reserved by your system, you may see a warning. In that case, pick a different set that won't interfere with your operating system or other apps you use frequently. Most changes save automatically as soon as you set them, so there's nothing extra to confirm. Take a moment to review your list and make sure the toggles and key sequences match your preferences. When you're done, simply close the Settings panel. That's it. You found the new keyboard settings, toggled shortcuts on or off, and customized the key sequences to suit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, more comfortable experience in ChatGPT with your newly tailored shortcuts.